How to get the Royal Chef emote in Clash Royale. So the Royal Chef emote in Clash Royale is a fun and playful way to celebrate victories or troll opponents with style. Like many exclusive emotes, it's not always available, so here's how you can unlock it. The Royal Chef emote was firstly released as a part of Special Pass Royal Season and has occasionally appeared in limited time shop offers. Supercell often rotates all the emotes back into the game during anniversary events, seasonal challenges, or special promotions. So even if you missed it, there's a good chance it will return. To get it, keep an eye out on the Emotes tab in the shop, where returning emotes are usually available for gems or real money. It may also show up in special event bundles or challenge rewards, so staying active and checking regularly is key. So if the Royal Chef emote isn't available today, don't worry, Supercell frequently brings back fan favorite emotes for a limited time. Just keep watching the shop and participating in events to snag it when it returns. That's pretty much it, guys. Have luck and good luck gaining this emote. It should be in the shop soon. And if this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.